Ant colonies inside your insulation can turn your cozy home into a nightmare if you don't handle it right away. So, first off, you gotta spot the problem early. If you notice tiny ant trails or hear weird rustling in your walls, check your insulation for any signs of ants or damage. Next, remove the contaminated insulation carefully. Wear gloves and a mask because it can be nasty. After that, call pest control to get rid of the colony for good, cause DIY methods usually just scratch the surface. Once the ants are gone, replace the insulation with fresh stuff that's treated to resist pests if possible. Make sure to seal up any cracks or entry points around your home to keep new ants out. Keep an eye on it over time. Sometimes ants try to come back. Finally, maintain good ventilation and moisture control because damp insulation is like a magnet for bugs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ant colonies and insulation is ignoring the problem until it gets out of hand. This just lets the colony grow and cause more damage. The fix is simple. Act fast as soon as you spot ants or damage. Another common issue is trying to spray pesticides directly into insulation without removing it, which rarely works and leaves your insulation contaminated. Instead, always remove old insulation before treating. Lastly, a lot of folks forget to seal entry points after treatment, so ants just come back. Make sure to patch up cracks or gaps around windows, doors, and foundation to keep them out for good. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like ant infestations and insulation replacement without all the stress. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people who need their skills and grow their business in a trusted community.